All right, we're going to break down and teach you the Addams Family Theme Song here on our Baritone Ukulele. Standard baritone tuning, D, G, B, and E. Basically, essentially, there's two parts to this song. There's that part, the part I play, which is a melody, and then there's actually a third part, which I'm going to show you too, which is at the very end of the song, which is... We're going to go over all of that. And by the way, this is going to be exactly like the original, the old school version of the Addams Family Theme Song. You can find it online. And we're going to be in the same key, which is B flat. All right. Works really well here on the baritone. I do have an amp with a little distortion, a little reverb going on, just to kind of have some fun. All right. Part number 1. All right, so there's the first part. That's actually done on like an organ, and we're gonna do a couple of mutes as well to emulate the claps or the snaps that they got going on in the song. All right, so it's gonna be right here. I'm gonna hammer on from 3 to 5, and then next string down 2. And I'm going to play kind of short. We don't need to hold these notes long. Just if that hammer-on's too hard, just hit each note. But the hammer-on sounds kind of cool. And then you're going to do a couple of mutes. And all you got to do is just touch the string so nothing's really pressed down, and just hit it to get that chuck sound. Then you're going to take that lick and slide it up a whole step, 2 frets, and do the same thing, which is hammer on from 5 to 7, next string, 4, 5, and then chuck, chuck. Then you're going to do that lick twice with no chucks, and then go back to the original here on the 3rd fret, and then chuck, chuck. And this lick is a triplet. So it starts on B4, so it's like 1, 2, 3, 4, triplet, 1. Right? Dot, 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 dot. Those are triplet. Dot, 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 dot. Okay? So let's just do this first part. 1, 2, 3. We'll leave it at that for now, but we'll come back. When we do it later, we're going to do that part twice. Now I want to go on to the melody part, which is actually the vocal part of the song, which sounds like this. We're going to start right here. 6th fret. I'm going to hit 6 on the 2nd string, and then 6. A little bit of feedback there. That's what happens with distortion in these. Try to avoid that. All right, so 6, 6. And then I'm going to reach up here to 10, and then back to 6. And then I'm going to hit 8 on the 2nd string, 8 on the 3rd string, and 8 on the 1st string. So it's part 1. Next part is... So that part I'm going to slide here from 9 to 10, and then 1st string, what is that, 8, and then back to 10. Then I'm going to slide back to 6, 7, and then 1st string 6. So this part is. Then the next part is the same as the first part, which is exactly the same. 6, 6, 10, 6, 8, 8, 8. And then the last part is, which is pull off from 6 to 5. Next string, 6, 8, 5, and 6. So this part, and it starts on the and of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, that's part 2. All right, now we're going to go back when we do the actual playthrough. We'll do this whole part again. All right, we'll do that whole part again, but then we're going to add part 3, which happens at the very end of the original song, which is this. Just adds 1 extra note, so it's still going to be the same hammer on. 3, 5, 2, 3, and then I'm going to hit 2nd string, 2nd fret. It's kind of like the dissonant note there, so it's. that 4 times. Then I'm going to go back to like the part A, which is with the mute, slide it up, but only 1 time. Chuck, chuck, and then back. And then we're going to end it. All right, are you ready? We're going to put it all together. We'll speed up just a little bit, but I know you can handle it. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Hey, all right, we'll take it. We'll take it. So, all right, there's the Addams Family Theme Song here on the Baritone Ukulele. Let me know what you think and let me know how you did playing it. Of course, you can slow it down, do whatever you want, but just wanted to show it to you because I think it's cool and it actually works really well here on the baritone as well as the ukulele and the guitar, which I actually have tutorials going over those as well, if that's something you're interested in. But anyway, thanks for being here. If you like this stuff, the reason why we're doing this, because I actually just did this. Actually, I haven't even done this yet. I'm about to do it tomorrow during one of the live baritone lessons that we do for all our members at ukuleletoPros.com, all our platinum members. We do ukulele live lessons each week, beginning, intermediate, advanced. We do baritone, and we do Hawaiian ones as well to all our members, plus over 40 pre-recorded courses that we have over there at ukuleletoPros.com. And if you like this baritone, this is our Kala Ukulele to Pros baritone, only available at our store. And you can get ukuleles, guitars, pro audio, anything you need for your musical needs, and that is terrycartermusicstore.com.